Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to give you a video here of a 2014 MOFFETT M55. Now this thing has a 10-foot mast, it has pallet forks and a backrest. It has nice tires in front, about 70-80%. This thing has been completely refurbished. Now we pressure and leak test the system. When we find anything that's leaking, see there's new hoses here and there, we replace those. We also check out the cylinders, wheel motors, and your hydraulic pump. Also, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is fully repainted. Now we take it apart. You can take a look here. There's new bolts here and there. This diamond plating's removed, the seats removed, battery cover, roll cage, doors, back door, the bonnet. That stuff's painted separately and then put back together. That way we get a good coat of paint in between everything. Look how nice and clean this is in the back. Things like new and all. Our competitors just do a very light paint job, but look how deep that paint goes in there. You're gonna get a long lasting, strong finish. Also, all your fluids have been changed. You have a new back tire here, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're gonna take a look at the engine. You have a V2203 Kubota, very strong engine. That was in the 753 for years and it's known to be reliable. So we're going to go ahead and fire this up, show you how she runs. Now, with this refurbishment process, what it will do is give you an operational guarantee. That means when it gets to your yard, we're going to back you up, get it fixed if something happens in between. Very short term, just when you get it. Then we're going to back up the engine for an additional 30 days. Now, let's hear this Kubota come to life. Here's your mast going up and down. We have tilt. We have side shift, we have outriggers, we have the mast going in and out, look how nice and tight this thing is. It drives very nicely, everything's in sync. Here's your backup alarm. All your lights are taken care of. You can hit the ground running. You get a 30-day engine warranty, operational guarantee. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thank you.